Yo, what's up guys, it's Andrew here. Haven't uploaded a video in a while, so I figured I'd make this one short and sweet. What's going on? Here's the 250. I blew it up about over a week now. A couple weeks ago, I don't know, a little while ago. There's that. Everything's taken apart. Motor's right there. Haven't cracked the case open to see what's wrong with it yet. Here's my truck. Haven't seen this in a while probably, but got some leveling kit in it. Looks pretty good. A little muddy right now, but it's alright. Nothing really to see in here. I'd make another video on this sooner or later when I get like more tires and shit. And maybe some spacers, I don't know. I might paint the rims. Maybe make a video on that. But yeah, just doing a little update video. I haven't uploaded a video in a while, so don't really have any content. I have an RC car. Got that out. Got it running. Back here. Here's my sled. Need to get undercover. I don't want it to sit out here. But battery's dead in that. Just haven't got around to it. Might do that today. Little fireplace over here, but yeah, I just figured I'd make a little video of what's going on, where I've been. School is almost over, coming to an end here. I'm gonna be working a lot this summer because got something special coming this winter. You'll see, you're gonna like it hopefully. Has something to do with snowcross, but yeah, I just figured I'd make a little video of what's going on, where I've been. Hopefully start get the ball rolling on this thing. And yeah. Alrighty guys, see ya. Peace. Oh, comment down below what you want to see. You want to see some like dirt bike rebuild videos, some RC car videos, truck videos. Maybe water skip the sled. Probably won't happen, but you never know. Alrighty, peace out. Comment below. I love responding to the comments. Fun. Comments, it's fun. Alrighty, peace.